Do you want to get rid of wrinkles on your hands and pigment spots that make your skin look older? Today I'll share with you an amazing secret that helps remove pigment spots fast, smooth wrinkles on your hands, and rejuvenate your skin, all naturally at home. First, take 1 liter of warm water and add 2 tablespoons of regular salt. Mix it well. Now soak your hands in this natural home solution for about 10 minutes. This simple at-home remedy helps soften your skin and prepare it for deep care. Don't rinse the mixture off afterward. Just gently dry your hands with a towel. Now comes the magic part, a special balm that will help remove pigment spots fast and make the skin look younger. You'll need 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of any natural oil. Mix these ingredients well until they turn into a smooth, creamy texture. Then apply it generously to your hands, especially where you see wrinkles on your hands or pigment spots. Leave it on for 20 minutes. During this time, your skin will absorb the nutrients, healing cracks and fading pigment spots naturally at home. Afterward, rinse with warm water and feel how soft and refreshed your skin becomes. People who have tried this natural home method say the results are truly surprising. In just 5 to 6 days, pigment spots begin to fade, wrinkles on your hands become less visible, and your skin feels tighter, smoother, and full of life. The best part? You don't need expensive creams or salon treatments. Everything is done naturally at home using ingredients you already have in your kitchen. This is one of the most effective natural ways to treat pigment spots and wrinkles on your hands while deeply nourishing your skin. Try it yourself. This natural home remedy can make your skin glow and help you say goodbye to pigment spots and wrinkles on your hands in the most natural way possible. Your hands deserve the same care as your face, and this natural home treatment is the easiest and most powerful secret to younger-looking skin.